Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making dulce de leche filling from my homemade sweetened condensed milk, and this is the most delicious and simple recipe you can ever find. Stay tuned as I show you how to make this delicious dulce de leche filling. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's dulce de leche filling. So we have 400 grams of homemade condensed milk. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. We have 1/3 cup of full cream milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar. We have some spare bowls, a silicone spatula, a spoon, and our non-stick saucepan. Also use a container with the lid in case we can't pour it into our glass jar. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Into the saucepan, I'll pour our sugar and then we'll place it on our source of heat till it melts and caramelizes. Now we are going to start adding in the butter. After everything dissolves, we'll add in the milk bit by bit as we stir gradually. Now we'll add in the condensed milk. And then we stir till it thickens up and dissolves into the mixture. As we stir, we also push the ends in so that nothing gets bent and sticks to it. This stirring will go on for about 3 to 4 minutes as it thickens up, bubbles slightly, and then we have our dulce de leche filling base all made. As you can see, it has started thickening up slightly, and this is why you need to use a non-stick pan, because as I stir, you see that you can still see the bottom of the pan as it is. It's not bent. Even if your pan is not a non-stick pan, it should be a bottom heavy pan so that it doesn't get bent as the cooking process is ongoing. Don't forget to push the ends or the edges of the cooking sauce into it. Very soon we'll be taking it off the source of heat. Our sauce has thickened up beautifully. This is our dulce de leche sauce or dulce de leche filling. All done. I'm going to take it off the source of heat and then we'll pour it into a bowl to cool off. Place our bowl down and then we'll pour our sauce into it. So this is how it looks like. We leave it to cool off. This is our dulce de leche filling or sauce after an hour of cooling off. We are going to pour it into an airtight container and then we cover with the lid. This is our container we'll be pouring our Dulce de Leche sauce into. Now we are going to cover with the lid and then leave it on our countertop for up to 5 days. This is something that if you make, you're supposed to use it immediately so that it doesn't get spoiled or go bad.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.